Hello guys and welcome to the first video in the channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to connect two routers on the same network so you can extend the range if you have a big apartment or an office or something like that. So let's get started. You only need an Ethernet cable as long as you want, depending on your needs. I recommend you use a 5E cable as it's not so expensive and delivers a great performance. But if you want to do a 10 gigabit networking, I recommend you go with a Cat 6 as you cannot do 10 gigabits on a 5E cable and the router, and that's all you need to start. Please notice that your router must have an Ethernet in port so it can take internet from the cable, so look for that in the store. So guys, first thing you want to do is to get your router IP address, a router that is connected already to the internet. So mine is that, and yours may vary and may get the exact same number depending on your router. Second thing, you go to your router, to the other router homepage, uh, and you search for LAN settings. Get the IP address settings and change that so it's not the same as your first router. So the first router is this, and the second router I done it this. I changed the one here to a 0. So this is the first thing you need to do. Now you just connect the two routers with the Ethernet cable and you are good to go.